Introducing the 4100 and 5100 series boilers from Reliable Corporation, the industry leader in professional steam boilers. How to fill your reliable steam boiler. Before filling your steam boiler, ensure the power switch is off. It is recommended to release any existing pressure in the unit by unscrewing the pressure cap 1/2 turn counterclockwise and let this process complete. Or you can release the steam by pressing the iron, steam gun, or foot pedal until the steam has been removed. To fill your iron station, unscrew the pressure cap. Insert the included funnel into the boiler and add up to 1.9 liters. This leaves room for pressure to build up for optimal performance. The 4100 and 5100 series boilers will work with regular tap water, but distilled is preferred. If you use tap water, more cleaning may be required. To check water level, use the included water level stick and hold your thumb to the top. Replace the cap and tighten when done. Cleaning and maintenance. Switch steam button to off, switch power to off, and unplug from the power outlet. Please ensure your boiler is depressurized before continuing. To flush out the unit, grab handles firmly and turn them upside down to let the water drain out. Rinse the unit with clean water by refilling and draining unit until the water coming out is clear. We recommend doing this once a week. To clean the exterior of the unit, we recommend using a microfiber cloth. How to use Eco Mode. Switching your steam cleaner into Eco Mode puts the unit into a standby ready state at 2 bars of pressure when not in use. From Eco to on position, it will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes to bring up to temperature/pressure, reducing heat up time and helping conserve energy. Tips for first use. The pressure in your boiler will drop quickly as the initial pressure is used up. This is normal operation. On first use, steam for 10 seconds. Then wait for pressure to build back up. Then you can continue to steam normally. This will help you deliver crisp steam. Sometimes you will notice a few drops of water from your steam during initial use. This is due to condensation in the hose. This can also happen if your boiler has been overfilled, but will stop once water levels have decreased to a lower level. How to add an iron shoe to a reliable professional steam iron. Non-stick iron shoes are a must-have for anyone ironing delicate and sensitive materials. Our ironing shoes are made from heavy-duty aluminum and are riveted for extra strength. The 6mm PTFE coating is long-lasting and glides with ease. Insert your iron from tip to bottom to ensure a snug fit. The shoe provides a layer of insulation between the iron sole plate and the fabric. With this simple addition, you can avoid any shine, scorching, discoloration, or other potential fabric damage. Can I use an extension cord? It is not recommended to use an extension cord or a power bar or surge protector. If an extension cord or surge protector is absolutely necessary, a cord with an ampere rating equal to or greater than the maximum rating of the boiler must be used. If you need more help or have further questions, please get in touch with us at reliablecorporation.com or email us at support@reliablecorporation.com.